Hi traders, today is 3rd of September 2019. We are now live trading crude oil market WTI NYMEX futures contract October 2019. So at this moment we've seen a large sell over for crude oil market since the beginning of London session. So time now is 9:13 a.m. in the morning New York time. We are in the position for 2 lot position size, shorting the market at 53.25. So there's a very large volume here waiting at about 400 at 53.20. So hopefully the market will fall further down to 53.00. This is what I'm expecting. So my live broadcast as well show that short sell at 53.25, TP at 53.00. So this is a live broadcast. There's a link in the description below. Feel free to click on it. So let's go back to the chart. So the market still in the positive side. At this moment we are about $40 in profit. Now break even. Market have a major sell down actually. During the beginning of US session, it breaks out further down. So now have to wait. Could be the last cycle for the bearish movement for today. Maybe later we might see a full reversal for US session, a major reversal. But now still waiting. We are in profit. That's when. It looks good at this moment. So the TP target is 53.00. So I will buy here as a profit taking activity. The one 53.00 as well. So this means we are profiting around $280 in profit. Looks good. 240 to 20. So hopefully the market go further down. Maybe we can try break even somewhere here at the entry. Okay, looks good. Okay, we almost exit the market. 340. 170, 180. Sorry, 360. Target is 53.00. We're almost there. Quite fast. Okay, not far from our target. So profit at this moment is $400 in profit. This should be a quick one. So let's take a look. Another 3 more ticks to go. So there's a high volume here waiting at 53.00. So let's hope the price penetrate and go down, and we can exit the market at a good profit on hand. This should be a fast one. Managed to capture it live. Sorry, live. Should be a good one. Let's take a look. Okay, another few more ticks. If the price reverse back, then I better exit at a break even. But at this moment, I'm quite sure that the market will go to 53.00. There's quite a good number, so there's a high volume waiting here just now. Let's wait and wait. So please take note that we did profit at this moment is $360 in profit, and so we did enter the market at 9:11 a.m. in the morning New York time. So time now is 9:18. So we have been in the market for 7 minutes. Quite a good profit as well. Profit now is $360. So there's a link below in the description, so you may find my live broadcast channel, so you can click to join this free trial for 5 days. No need to put upfront credit card, just join in for 5 days. Maybe you can make money during these 5 days and subscribe my live signal. So we're still in the market and waiting for it to touch our TP area. The best profit just now is around 400. If the price reverses back, I will break even. So let's wait. Hopefully the price will not return back. So I put as a trailing stop at a 53 to 23, but normally it will hit the TP I give. Okay, now back to 200. About 3 to 4 more ticks. So still there is a high volume here. It's quite clear when you see the market. This high volume 140 waiting at a 53.00, so there's a high tendency for the market to touch this kind of level and break further down or make it a major reversal. Okay, a new candle appeared on the small time frame. Okay, doesn't look any good. Now to 340, 300 $, in profit. Okay, now back 360 in profit. So the price now is at 53.06. We are about 5 more ticks to the target area, 4 more ticks to target area, 6 more ticks. So the price keep tangling around this area, and when the times come, it will shoot further down. That's what I'm expected. Looks like it's going to reverse back. Now 118. Just now it's 400. I should exit. Too greedy. Okay, 220. I just need some profit today. Why the price I didn't touch 53.00? I need to get ready to escape. There's a possibility for the market to reverse back. Also could be another entry down here at a breakout 53.02 could be. So let's wait in 2 minutes time. Maybe you can scalp. Okay, doesn't look any good at this moment. Only $180 in profit. The best is to exit at the best profit of 400. I miss it out. Okay, now 80 might trigger my break even. 60, 30. Okay, I reverse back. So that's it. $40 only in profit instead of $400. So by the way, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. There's a live broadcast Telegram channel for WTI crude oil market day trading strategy. So I'm giving out a good a good signal for live trading, and you can see this is a signal I just gave during the US session just now, New York time 9:11 a.m. So only maybe a bit too greedy. I should close it when reach around 400 US dollar in profit. That's good enough actually. So lesson learned, and I think that's all for today. So that's all for today. See you guys tomorrow, because this is day trading. We only been in the market for a couple of minutes only. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.